Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by gathering the files and connections you'll use. Make sure headers are consistent and fields use the right types so formulas work later. Once done, import data using the Data tab, choose from text/CSV for files or from database for live sources. As you load, preview and set delimiters, date formats, and column types. This avoids errors downstream. You're starting actionable work now? Import, verify, and lock a clean baseline before creating calculations and reports. Once your baseline is in place, use Power Query to transform data, filter rows, merge tables, and pivot or unpivot to get analytic shape. Make sure to load transform tables to the data model and define relationships by matching keys. This enables cross-stable calculations. Then add calculated columns for row-level logic and measures with DAX for aggregations like SUM, average, or calculate for context-aware totals. As you proceed, test a sample pivot to validate results. You now build the final reports. Place pivot tables, charts, and add slicers or timelines so stakeholders can explore results. Once visuals are set, format number displays, add labels, and lock cells or protect sheets before sharing. Make sure to document key formulas and save iterative backups so you can revert if needed. If things go wrong, first check data types and table relationships, then inspect measure filter context. Correcting those usually fixes incorrect totals or missing rows, and then refresh to confirm the repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.